Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of IntelliJ IDEA, that is version 2025.3 on the Windows operating system. So first you have to go to favorite browser and to open a new tab and just simply type IntelliJ IDEA download. Hit enter. So that will show you this jetbrains.com. So just simply go to their official site of IntelliJ IDEA. So this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description. And once when you are here, you'll see that our IntelliJ IDEA is available to download for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. And now you can see that our IntelliJ IDEA is now a single unified product. So what that actually means, I'm going to talk about that in the coming part of the video. So first click on this download button. And it has rightly started downloading. Since I have already downloaded it, I'm going to cancel this. I'll go to my download directory. Here is our IntelliJ IDEA. Just simply double click on that installer. You can minimize your download directory. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And welcome to IntelliJ IDEA setup. Click on next. So this is where our IntelliJ IDEA is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. Here you need to select first these three options, and depending upon what language you like to use, you have to select that. I'm going to use it for Java, so that's why I'm going to select Java. If you want to use it for Gradle, Groovy, Kotlin, then you can always select all these different options. So after that, click on next. Again click on install, and that's going to immediately start installing our IntelliJ IDEA. So we'll come back. Now you can clearly see that our IntelliJ IDEA is now rightly installed. A desktop shortcut also created over here. Just simply click on finish. And just simply double click on that desktop shortcut to launch our latest version of IntelliJ IDEA. Here is our IntelliJ IDEA 2025.3. First you need to click on allow to provide permission to public and private networks. Here in import settings, it's going to ask whether you'd like to import your previous settings from Visual Studio Code or Cursor. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to install these two softwares, so you can check that out. For now, I'm going to proceed with skip import because we are going to start fresh on IntelliJ IDEA. So click on skip import, and here is our IntelliJ IDEA. You can maximize this. So let's start with creating a project. So click on new project. Here and to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as hello everyone, and we are going to use latest version of Java, that is Java 25.2.1. If you don't have Java installed, you can always download your Java from here. You can also download Oracle Open JDK 25.2.1 from here also. We are going to use already installed Java, that is detected JDK1, and I'm going to click on create. That's going to start creating our project. Here you can click on let's go to unlock next level development with free AI, and you can maximize this. So it's going to install some of the plugins. So let's wait for some time over here. And it has rightly opened. So here you can see that we are already using their pro features. So this is trial versions, and you can use their pro features for 30 days. So about 29 days left now. So you can use it for completely free, and after that if you want to switch to their community edition, so that also you can do. So now IntelliJ IDEA is a unified product. So if you go to their homepage of IntelliJ IDEA, you can see IntelliJ IDEA is now a single unified product. So what that basically means is, for core Java and Kotlin features remain free, with even more functionality are also available at no cost. So only when you need some advanced tools, then only you need to simply unlock them with an ultimate subscription. So the thing is, now you don't need to switch edition. So it's a single exe only, which will handle both community features and pro features as well. So you don't need to uninstall a complete software just to get their pro features, right? So now they have a single unified product. So that's all about it. So you can use their 30-day free trial for completely free, and after that if you want to take subscription you can take that, or else if you don't want to continue, then you can always click on this search icon and just simply type manage. So that will give you this manage subscription. So you can go there and you can deactivate your subscriptions. You can easily do that if you don't want to continue their subscriptions. Anytime you can do that. I just wanted to show you, or else you can always continue with their subscription. Now let's see how to use it for Java programming. So you can see it has already created a main.java file. So here is our main.java file. So here is a for loop, which is basically printing 1 to 5 natural numbers. So hello and welcome. So if we just simply click on run, it's going to start building our project, and after that it's going to show you the output hello and welcome, and after that it's going to print 1 to 5 natural numbers. So you can delete everything and can start working on your Java project right on IntelliJ IDEA. So that's basically all about this video. If you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyskin.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.